Hello, my ogbonge people. This one wey me just see today, I just shocked like seriously. So sometimes I go just dey wonder our girls why e be say, in fact, relationship of a thing, not be by force. Like, now see this relationship of a thing, if you dey friend man, I dey always talk and say, if that man dey beat you, you better run for your life. If the man they beat you, if they do you wetin you no like, my dear, you see relationship not by force. You must not stay there make you can't me because of say you dey marry. You understand? So sometimes I go just dey wonder for our girls. I go dey wonder for them, for some kind things wey be say it go dey happen. Okay, see this one now. Be since we dey hear say na man dey kpeme woman, e go beat woman, kpeme am, e go beat woman, kpeme am. Now, not be even beat woman, kpeme am again now. Na she now can't even kpeme the man. Like seriously? Now woman now can't even kpeme man. I know sometimes I know they understand our girls. I know they understand them really. Eh? Wetin go make you beat this young man now? As in, which fight una come fight reach day wey you come kpeme am now? Wetin you want from the guy wey make you kpeme the guy? I no just understand our girls o. These girls of nowadays, well, God pass una really, wetin go make you kpeme this guy now? Wetin you want from the guy wey you come go kpeme am? Wetin make you kpeme this guy now? Wetin you fit talk say na make you do am? Me, I no understand. Sometimes some kind topic go just dey tire me. It go dey tire me to talk because I go just dey wonder like, wetin go make this girl now kpeme this guy now? Wetin you want from the guy wey the guy no give you, wey make you come kpeme am, or you see am with another girl? Shebi na only him one be the guy wey dey this world wey go make you kpeme am? I no like. Abeg guys, more dey look girls before una date o. More dey look girls, because some girls so yesterday their body jejeje the way take dey some men body. I come dey wonder say wetin go make this girl kpeme this guy. Now I drive my bicycle say no, I must go that area where this thing for happen. So as I reach there now, I see say the girl say he see the guy with another girl. I say today na today. Say na normal fight too. Before you know now, he go use a knife kpeme the guy. My people, like seriously, my people abeg, our boys. Cause me, I get brother. I no go dey happy say he girlfriend come go use I don't go want use that kind of thing at all. When we dey pray with our children, make them not meet bad woman. May the women not see meet bad men. Because I don't know where una dey. Me no just like seriously. And so one first see happen for Germany here. Where be say the girl tell the guy say, I no want the girl get pikin. Okay, she get pikin before. You can't know this guy. So the guy now, he can't tell him with the guy can't the guy they help him. The guy they help him. Those German guys, they always like help their woman. If they help him everything. Okay, now I can't tell the guy say he want settle with he pikin papa because he be baby see small. He want settle with him. The boy say lie. Say the woman no will feel live and lie. Now the boy say then the woman tell him say I want settle with him. Don't they beg? So me with you no go feel day again. So my baby papa don't they beg me. I want settle with him. The boy say lie. He no go gree. He no go gree. From there now the girl come as they drag the boy come beat the girl. Not be small beating. You say woman now wey be say maybe now 2 months a day wey take born pikin never grow. I mean no 3 months. So he tell the boy say make you leave him. They beat him. He beat the boy beat him, may not be small. He beat him it just, you know, when you beat Anna to the extent where you say you can't go knock am where you're not supposed to knock am, the woman go for ground. Instead, na mumu wey go call ambulance, he run leave the woman. All you be say the woman go up me, he just run leave am for ground there. The woman are not still weapon, baby dey small. Who want help am? As he reach, as he come, they call the woman, the Mugre boy. So as they call the woman now, he can say, this woman not pick phone. I bet this woman don't pay me. He can talk am for inside the phone. He can cut am. This one happen for Germany here. He can cut the phone. As he cut the phone now, may he run go find how you go do am. The baby they cry there. Nobody help the woman. The woman strong now. You know, see weapon. Now she come me for inside room there. Baby they cry. Couple people they hear cry. Say they call the facing a normal cry. Later the cry come past Joromi, the baby. Baby you don't eat. You don't see food eat. You don't feel carry breast. Nothing. Baby begin they cry there. They have to come call so we get somebody where one of our friends come they call am. They call the woman not group pick phone. That is why if one person sit there as not too good though, my people. Now they can say this thing is not normal. Now they can call police. Police come they see they hear the baby cry. They have to come break the door. Me say the woman don't pay me for his house. Baby they cry. So they carry the baby first. Rush and go hospital first. They go take care of that baby. That baby now don't come to government too. You know? Why am I saying this? Relationship not by force. You know they force people do wetin no dey their mind. Don't force people. You don't understand this. I don't want you can't turn to the one way be say do come dey pay each other. You understand? I don't want or you see am with and so one at that time he say because he see the boy they arrest the woman. I escort somebody say man go see person for there for inside prison. Now they call it the person they tell me say he get one woman for inside there. Say he poison he boyfriend because he's staying with another woman. I can say what you come to happen for this world past Joromi, my people? He passed Joromi, you can really imagine like I catch my boyfriend with another man, with another woman. I can't be married. I don't understand really. I feel like talk and say this life not balance. One of my friends go they laugh. They not balance, The life not balance, oh. Because if it balance, I don't see what to go make me reason and say I want me a man because say I see him. Even the husband will put it for us. If they even misbehave, say you want start to carry women for us, you know what buffon. You know what buffon that way you take me put. Like seriously? Hey, me I don't understand really. I beg my people, I beg. If relationship tires you leave, go. No, not be the one way you can resolve to say you can go carry knife, say you want me your man, or because of say you say you don't want again, or they carry on that woman. If you love you know carry on that woman. That's what it be. So I beg my people, and this one are just a little advice for my darling people. I beg, go get here, make it here. If you see this video, please share it for our youth there. You know, our youth there. Now you get this video, so we wanna share and give them. This relationship matter. Not be waiting that they die for. You understand? If you not still work out, everybody they go in separate ways now. So you just be. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.